Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. Today I'm here with Leah, and Leah's going to show us how she can do the Minecraft game. Is that right, Leah?
Yeah.
Now how long have you been playing Minecraft?
A year now.
A year? Wow, and you're pretty good at it?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you show us what skills you have, okay?
Okay.
And what are you picking now? What do you have to pick?
You have to select it.
Uh-huh.
And could keep inventory, so if you die from mobs, you need you keep all your stuff that you collect.
Mm-hmm.
So then you could create and then
Create.
create a world.
You have to gather cobwebs using and build the terrain. Is that what you have to do?
Yeah.
Okay, well how do we get started?
So we're getting into the world right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that.
So I'm in the world.
Oh, we're in the world right
This
now.
is how you walk and this is how you jump.
Mm-hmm. And what is that animal over there?
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep.
So if you don't want the map, if you don't want stuff,
Mm-hmm.
you just hold it in into the green slate, and then it gets out. Then you need to back away so you don't get it again.
Okay. Wow, you smashed everything. Okay, where are we going? We're walking somewhere up the hills
There's a tree.
to a tree. You got the tree?
Yeah.
Now you're getting wood out of the tree. Look at that. Now the tree is gone and you have a whole bunch of wood.
Walk forward.
Uh-huh.
Three little dots and click the magnifying glass.
Uh-huh.
Get a crafting bench.
Okay.
And sticks. You need to mine one more piece of the tree, the whole tree.
Okay, look at that.
So until you're done with the tree.
You hold the button and it cuts up the whole tree, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of wood. You'll be able to build a big house with that, with all that wood.
Yeah. So do this. Then I have 18 blocks.
Uh-huh.
And place the crafting bench and go in it. And get a pickaxe, then a door for the house.
What is this? This the spot where you're going to build the house?
We need to get some materials. So we're gonna build a house. So we need to get the materials to build the house.
Now, what material are you getting now? What are they, bricks?
We're getting stone.
Oh, okay, stones. So the house is going to be made out of wood and stone, so if the big bad wolf comes, he can't blow it down, huh?
I can get an ender dragon, but it'll
A
take...
dragon?
Yeah, an ender dragon.
So you have to build a really strong house so the dragon can't get in, right?
You have to get the eye of ender to lead you to the ender dragon. Then you have to dig down until you see bricks.
Okay. So you dig down until you get stone or bricks.
Yeah.
Okay.
That.
So once we get stone and bricks, then can we build the house?
Yeah.
Okay, so you jumped out of the hole.
Now you need to go over here. So now because I mined all that cobblestone, I can get more stuff.
Okay. So the red stuff is what you need? You have to get that red stuff? The stuff that's in red?
You don't have to. It's just saying what you can get. Like
Okay.
what you don't have enough for.
Okay.
So now build our house.
Do you have a place picked out where you want to put the house?
Yeah, so if you wanna go faster, so you need to double click the walk button, and that's how you jump.
Uh-huh. So you double click the walk button and that's how you go fast.
Yeah, that's how you run.
Look at all the wood you have. You're going to use all that wood to build the house?
Yeah, so I need to use all this wood to make the house.
Uh-huh.
And go back over here to get my crafting bench so we can put it in the house.
Mm-hmm. That's really cool.
You can actually
Wow,
so
a door.
you
You made a
can
door.
click- So you need to click the handle to
Uh-huh.
open the door.
And it opens.
Yeah.
Really nice. Okay,
You
can
don't
we?
have to be perfectly in the handle.
Okay. This is really nice. Now, what do you use for the roof?
I'm gonna use this block for the roof. It's cobblestone.
Cobblestone roof.
Mm-hmm.
It's really neat. All right, go ahead. Keep building it. Okay, what are you getting now? What are those red things? They're flowers?
Yeah, I'm collecting flowers to put around the house.
Oh, okay, that's nice. You decorate the house with flowers.
This 6 right here, that
Mm-hmm.
means how much I have of the flowers.
Oh, okay. So it keeps.
It's
Now you have 8.
14 of the dirt, so that means I have 14 of the dirt.
Oh,
There's 4
okay.
cobblestone, so that means I have 4 cobbles.
Now, do you know how many you need to build a house?
No, I need to figure it out first until the house is done. I'm not gonna make the house super tall. I'm just gonna make it a little, like probably this big.
Okay. All right, that's good. Just give us an example how to do it. Now, this is another tree. You're going to cut down the tree?
Yeah, because the trees help you get the stuff where, so I get the wood, then the wood makes you get this stuff.
Right.
So I click it, and I click that.
Right?
Now I have 8.
Oh, and you collect it on the
Now
bottom.
I mine the rest of the tree so I can get more of the planks.
Mm-hmm.
Wooden planks.
Very nice. You're pretty smart with this.
Mhm.
Now, what's the biggest house you ever made?
Probably, I have been in creative mode. That's where you can fly. And
Uh-huh.
I have built a really big house, but then I deleted Minecraft. Something really weird has, I can't join my brother because we're on the same account, so it's hard for us to join each other.
Okay.
So I built a mansion whenever he could join me, and then I deleted Minecraft to try to join him, and it didn't work, so I just don't have the world anymore.
Oh, okay. So he builds a house or you build the house, right?
Yeah, I built the house in creative mode because I'm just a fast builder, but I'm building slow so you guys can see what I'm building.
Oh, okay. There's a lot of things you have to jump up on, huh? So here we are back at the house.
Now, because I collected all that wood, I made the stuff where I can collect. So now I need to place all the wooden planks where I need them to put.
Okay, you finished the walls.
Yeah, so I need to do the second layer.
Oh,
So now, if you break the cobblestone, I put the floor where the cobblestone.
yes, your cobblestone
Because
floor.
If you break the cobblestone, it'll just break the doors. So if I break the cobblestone, the doors won't be there anymore.
Oh, okay. So you have to make sure you don't break the cobblestone.
Yeah. But it's hard for me to break the cobblestone. It's not like the wood or anything, but it's a little easy. Bedrock, it's like the hardest thing to mine in Minecraft.
Oh, okay.
It's really hard. It's even hard to mine with the netherite pickaxe. That's the best pickaxe in Minecraft.
That you need a pickaxe to break
I
the.
have tried all the materials and none were faster.
Oh,
I
okay.
feel like the pickaxe was the fastest thing.
Oh, that's good to know. The pickaxe is the fastest thing.
So see how it's turned tonight? That means moms are gonna come out. Zombies, skeletons, creepers.
Oh, so it's getting dark. We have to build the house right away, huh?
Yeah, we have to build a house fast.
You said there might be a dragon around?
Yeah, if we get the Eye of Ender, there will.
Oh, boy. I don't like dragons.
Me either. So I have to run the tree really quick.
Okay, let's be quick. Get this all done.
Oh. Where was that? No. Oh, the moths are coming after me.
It's getting dark.
I know, it's
Okay.
night time, so I have to build this house really fast. I can't. Yes, I can. No!
Oh, what's that, a zombie?
No, that's a skeleton.
A skeleton?
No! 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 No!
Is that the flowers? They glow in the dark?
No, because they're really bright.
Do you have lightning bugs there?
No, and I'm about to die. I'm half a heart right now.
Uh-oh, no. How do you get more energy?
You can't. You have to eat.
What do you eat, sheep?
Yeah.
I saw that monster.
You have to kill stuff to eat. Yeah, you have to kill animals. Yeah. No.
Oh, no.
I died.
How many lives do you get?
Right by my house. That's good. So now I know if I die again, I'll spawn right by my house, so I don't lose my house.
Okay.
I have to break these blocks that I missed to get for the blocks.
Mm-hmm.
I was building so fast.
You put. I guess you don't put window. Oh, look out! Look out!
No. No. The zombie's getting me.
Oh, good, you got him.
Now because the mine is far away from my house, I can make a mine in my house.
Oh, okay.
No.
Watch out! How did he get in here?
I don't know.
Oh, you still have
The
windows.
door's open.
You still have windows
Those
over
are
there.
not my windows. Those are holes. Yes.
Okay, you got rid of him.
Mhm. Come on.
What are you looking for? Cobblestone?
Yeah, I'm getting cobblestone.
I don't think you have any down there.
I do. And then you guys can see it's going up.
No, I mean you keep digging the hole deeper and deeper, and there's no cobblestone.
I know, but I'm getting cobblestone.
Okay.
I'm getting the cobblestone for doing so it's harder for the mobs to get in my house. Oh no.
You want to come down. I told him you were
No, 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 no.
That's a different kind of monster. Oh, it's a spider? Wow.
I almost died from that spider.
Yeah. He was pretty vicious. Better close up those windows. Fill up those holes.
I'm trying to make the zombie, the flies to distract the zombies so they don't come in. It's hard for them to come in.
Uh-huh. They don't like rose bushes?
Skeleton's probably waiting for me. Oh no. No! Skeleton! Sticks. Come on, I should have made a sword. About to die. Ugh. On. Yes. Here.
Okay. What are we doing now?
Oh no. I don't know because I keep dying.
Okay.
Second,
Well, I'll tell you what.
the house is not going.
Is that enough for tonight? Okay, good. Okay. Leah, thank you very much for showing us that. I appreciate that. You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Okay, thank you. We'll be back again next time, and we'll see another adventure with Leah playing Minecraft, okay? Goodbye, everybody.